doing a live weather update on the snowstorm that's hit NYC February 24th through 26th. Well, the storm is rotating on us, so really, the storm's gonna last through Saturday 27th, 2010. Right now, it's about 7 a.m. Like I said, I'll post video at 7 a.m. The snow is wild. It's real windy. The heaviest snow and the windiest time will be an hour, so I'll take a video of that for you guys. So I'm sorry to have one of those. Okay. See, the snow is very, very deep. It's not like a sticky snow. It's just like flaky, like that. It's not sticky. Here, let's see how deep my foot can go. Okay, as you can see here, the snow is very deep. It's about a foot. That's where it was. No one touched it. It was always like that. And I'm going shoveling later. I'm gonna make much money. So I'm saving up for Windows 7 to have a tablet. So anyway, you see the snow. It's very crazy out. I'm gonna send this to News 12 in the web channel because they told us to take pictures and video. Right now I'm heading to the store to get milk and pancake flour. Yeah. It's just crazy out here. The streets haven't even been cleaned yet. All New York City schools are closed, so I'm happy about that also. See over here is the blackfish shovel. Oh my god. Oh heck. Look at this, I can't even walk through it. It's so damn deep. Oh my god. Oh. I should have worn my boots. I think it was that deep. Wow. So hard. I'll tell you, it's crazy. We're having El Nino this year. It's when the Pacific gets warmer and the Atlantic gets colder, which causes us to get a lot of snow. And these are the results. Okay, well, stay tuned for updates right here on YouTube. Bye.